Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about the best stocks to buy right now. If you do not have these stocks in your portfolio, then what are you doing? You do not want to be left behind, and if you want amazing growth over the long term by investing into stable, resilient companies, then this video is for you. The future growth trajectory of these companies are absolutely phenomenal, and experts and professionals as well as analysts alike all agree these companies are going to boom in the future. So without further ado, I say let's just jump right into this Forbes Advisor article. The first company, of course, on our list is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and I am a huge fan of Amazon. I own loads of it in my personal portfolio, mainly because I like how they are a market leader in both e-commerce as well as cloud services, but specifically, I am very impressed with their overall cloud services offering. Current projections from professionals say the company is anticipated to grow by 9.2% in their revenue in 2023, but then that will re-accelerate up to 13.9% for their revenue growth in 2024, and this is absolutely phenomenal because a company as big as Amazon growing their revenues by double-digit percentage points regarding their revenue is absolutely unheard of. This is why, even though right now the company is only worth $99, professionals from Bank of America believe and have a price target for this company of $135, which is an amazing price prediction. And that's why I love Amazon and I have it in my portfolio. Also, we're going to be going through these rather quickly, so feel free to take notes and always make sure to do your own research. Up next, we have Constellation Energy, ticker symbol CEG, which is a very impressive company, and they operate literally the largest US nuclear fleet that generates carbon-free electricity in both the United States as well as Canada. The company's shares have already increased 54% over the past year, and the reason for this growth is because the company generated 26.5% revenue growth in 2022, while their EPS grew by more than 365% on the year, which is absolutely amazing. To top it all off, the company also has very attractive free cash flow, and overall they have a very impressive profile, and I like this company for the long term. It currently trades hands at just $74, while experts believe the company should be worth $88 at minimum. If you are also a dividend investor, feel free to look at this company because they also offer a dividend coming in at 0.94%. Overall, I am very bullish on this company, and I believe the future is bright, especially if you're the type of investor who wants carbon-free electricity. But always make sure to do your own research to make sure this company aligns with your portfolio, your risk tolerance, and other variables that you may have that I may not. Moving right along here, let's talk about Chipotle Mexican Grill, ticker symbol CMG, and I love Chipotle, not only as a food chain, but also as a stock. If you look at the history of their overall growth, this company has been on an absolute tear. Their trailing 5-year average annual EPS return is over 39 cents. Their forward 5-year average annual estimate regarding their earnings per share is over 24%, and their return on equity is over 38%. So what's not to like about this company? Chipotle Mexican Grill operates more than 3,000 fast casual Mexican restaurants in the United States, Europe, and Canada. And they have posted double-digit growth, which is phenomenal. Right now, they are focusing on serving and innovating their overall improvements in operating efficiencies by increasing the amount of menu items that they offer, while also taking advantage of their loyalty program, which entices people to come back and eat at Chipotle because they can earn rewards, which are going to be great growth drivers throughout the year of 2023 and beyond. That's why analysts say this company is a steal right now, and they have a price prediction of $1,850, while the company currently just trades for $1,785, which indicates there is plenty of upside potential left in this company. If $1,785 sounds a little expensive to you, make sure your own brokerage or platform that you're using to invest offers you fractional shares or share slices. This means you could invest into stocks for as little as $1. So you don't need $1,785 to invest into Chipotle. You only need $1 or $5 or $10 or whatever you can spare, and then the platform will allow you to do that. Some platforms that offer this would be platforms like Webull and Robinhood, and then on the higher end platforms, you can do this through brokerages like Fidelity. Up next, we have another heavy hitter, which is going to be Alphabet, which is the parent company to both Google as well as YouTube. Alphabet is one of my top holdings in my portfolio, and I own a little bit more Alphabet than I do Amazon, but both of these companies are absolutely phenomenal. Alphabet is dominant in their respected industry, and the future growth potential looks amazing. The company is working on cloud-based services as well as artificial intelligence technology, which will literally be world-changing. That's why they are directly competing against Microsoft as well as Amazon, and this is why professionals believe that Alphabet has the greatest potential of coming out on top, which is why they have a buy rating for this company and a $125 price target. Overall, Alphabet is extremely innovative, and they have two ticker symbols, GOOG and GOOGL. I personally gravitate more to GOOG. However, both of them are extremely great investments. It just depends on what type of investor you are, and I am very excited for the future of this overall company because artificial intelligence will literally change the world and how we do everyday life. So if you don't already own this company, feel free to put it on a watch list or look further into it, and if you do own this company, feel free to add more. Next up, we have another phenomenal company that I absolutely love, and I also want to make you aware that I have recently purchased every single stock on this list because as I dive further into these companies, they are absolutely amazing. But up next is Eli Lilly, ticker symbol LLY. Eli Lilly is a giant pharmaceutical company which would treat conditions such as diabetes, some neurological disorders, as well as cancer, which is anticipated to grow their revenues by 8.5% during 2023. If you look at the growth trajectory of Eli Lilly stock and their historical performance, this company is almost unrivaled, and they have a huge pharmaceutical pipeline that they have yet to fully enact. That's why, even though the company just trades at $370, experts believe this company should be trading at a price target and price prediction of over $390 over the next 12 months. On top of that, they also offer an impressive dividend coming in at 1.09%, and that's why I personally own this company. It's the perfect mixture between growth as well as dividends. So not only am I getting passive income in the form of growth, I'm also getting passive income in the form of dividends, which is absolutely amazing. Up next, we have Match, ticker symbol MTCH, and Match essentially has bought out the majority of online dating platforms. They own dating platforms such as Tinder, Hinge, OkCupid, and many others. Due to the explosion in digital dating and online dating, this company is set to benefit the most out of any other company in this space. That's why, even though it just trades at $35 right now, experts, professionals, and analysts from Bank of America believe this company should be trading at around $66, so they clearly give it a buy rating, and the future does look bright. And on top of that, the company is trading at an extreme discount right now, so feel free to take advantage of that if you want to hold this company for the long term, because there is plenty of growth potential. Up next, we have another one of my favorite companies, which is Progressive, ticker symbol PGR. Progressive, if you didn't know, is one of the largest United States auto insurance companies, and they are a market leader in both motorcycle insurance as well as commercial auto insurance. For instance, right now we have projections that the company will grow their revenues by 21.5% in 2023, and for a company as massive as Progressive, growing by over a 20% revenue growth rate for the year is unparalleled in their respected space. This is another reason why experts think this company has a huge growth potential ahead of it and why investors should pile in. They have a buy rating because they believe the company could surge up to $174, even though right now it only trades for $138, while offering their investors a dividend yield of 0.29%. And that's why I personally and recently have purchased this company. Up next, we have Solar Edge Technologies, ticker symbol SEDG. Clearly, Solar Edge is involved with solar power installations, and they also sell direct current optimized inverter systems for solar installations. So if you are more of a green energy person and you want to invest into green energy, then Solar Edge could be one of the best to buy right now. Many investors see green energy as a phenomenal growth opportunity because they don't believe it's going anywhere and they believe this is the new future. And I tend to agree with them. This company projects a massive 58.2% revenue growth, and they are projected to grow their earnings per share by 126.3%, making this company one of the most aggressively growing companies on this list. That's why we have a buy rating on this company, and professionals from Bank of America think this company could be worth around $400 per share, even though right now it just trades at $315. So keep this at minimum on a watch list or invest into this company if you want to invest into the green future. Up next, we have another company that I have repeatedly invested into, which is T-Mobile, ticker symbol TMUS. T-Mobile, if you didn't know, is the third largest US wireless carrier behind Verizon and AT&T. However, when we compare Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, even though I own all three of these companies, I really like T-Mobile due to their future projections. For instance, the company on average will grow their earnings per share by around 44% or higher over the next half decade. If we pair that with great revenue growth and free cash flow growth, this company clearly has differentiated itself from AT&T as well as Verizon. T-Mobile has even made it on Bank of America's top 10 list of growth companies as well as value companies. It's extremely rare to find a company that not only offers a fantastic value, but also qualifies as an aggressive growth company. That's why even though right now it trades for $150, experts believe the company should be worth around $175, and I'm a huge fan of this company, and I can't wait to hold this company to get some of that amazing growth. I can't wait for it to build my value, and T-Mobile overall is just a fundamentally solid company. Last but not least, let's talk about United Rentals, ticker symbol URI. United Rentals is the world's largest construction and industrial equipment rental company. This company is number one in their respected market, and they have also recently implemented their first ever dividend, having a dividend yield of 0.39%. Right now, experts believe this company is extremely undervalued for such an aggressive growth company. Currently, it just trades at $380, but it should be trading around $450 over the next 12 months, which is why Bank of America professionals, analysts, and experts believe this company is a buying opportunity for growth investors. All of these companies on this list are absolutely amazing, and I have recently purchased literally every single one. I'm a fan of all of these companies, and I look forward to hearing the growth these companies are going to achieve for you. So for more videos just like this one, go ahead and annihilate that like button right now, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.